one, and then I get to really see how good my trauma skills are. I get to bust that medical kit out and try to save myself. Does everybody understand that? Okay. If that wasn't enough, let's add some more here and make this more complex. Our hips. What do my hips need to be doing? So I'm going to move from point A to point B, and I want you guys to simply watch what happens with my feet and watch what happens with my hips as I go. So I've got door left, door right, door left, door right, door left, door right, door left, door right. So I'm moving and it's door left, door right, all right, door left. That look efficient or a lot of twisting and turning and a higher possibility of falling? So same sequence of doors, and where are my hips? They're pointed in the direction that I'm going to move. And what happens? I come up and it's door left, door right, door left, door right, door left, door right. So in this case, for travel, for purposes of travel, when I'm moving, traveling, I want to keep my hips committed to the direction I'm moving. Everybody understand that? We tend to mess that up though when it's time to fight. So when it's time to fight, we will take and turn our hips perpendicular. What do I mean by that? So now there's a bad guy down in that direction there. So it's time to fight. But we will see people will not commit their hips towards where the bad guy is. They commit their hips perpendicular to where the bad guy is. Which means that essentially I'm just giving my butt up to this rear space that's over here. You guys understand that? Okay? I'm giving that up in the wrong way. Anybody here a vegan? Nobody? Good. All right. Let me tell you why you're not supposed to be a vegan. I don't want to offend anybody, but we don't have any vegans, so. Why are we not supposed to be vegans? Where are your eyeballs? They're on the front of your face. Okay? Pigeons have eyes over here because they eat French fries. Hawks have eyes here because they eat meat. Hunters have eyes on the front of their face. It's a fact. Lions, tigers, eyes on the front of their face. Deer, pigeons, goldfish. If you get eaten, you have eyes on the sides of your head so you can see more. If you hunt, the eyes are on the front of your face to look ahead. So it helps us hunt, but boy does it hurt us when people are hunting us. You guys understand that? So that field of view, it's nice to have that field of view like a pigeon and be able to see what's coming over here because I got two eyes on the sides of my head, but we don't have that. So if I take and turn hips and commit them to fight, I'm giving up that space and it's going to hurt me. It's going to come at me from behind. So I need to keep my hips committed towards where the problem is. So if we're moving, hips in direction of travel. If we're fighting, hips in direction of threat. Does everybody understand that? Awesome. Let's talk about what we're going to do now, which is called flow drills. And this is